Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to review the Clarity Money app. Clarity Money is a budgeting app that helps you manage your money in one place. You can link your bank account, credit cards, and bills to track spending, set savings goals, and cancel unwanted subscriptions. The app shows where your money is going each month, which helps you stay on budget. It also lets you create savings goals by setting aside money automatically. One useful feature is that it can spot subscriptions you forgot about and give you the option to cancel them easily. However, Clarity Money was bought by Marcus by Goldman Sachs, and its original app feature have changed. Some users say it's not as useful now as it was before the changes. Overall, Clarity Money can still help with basic budgeting and savings, but there are other apps with more advanced features. If you want something simple and easy to use, it might be worth trying. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.